Hello, Clearbrow, North Dallas, 2020 Audi S4. Custom fit here on this bumper with a bulk piece. So I'm just going to show you the difference over patterns. The custom fit's always going to be your best. So we come around every micro edge. This is fully edge to edge. So everything is coming right around the edge here. And I'll bring you around to where there's an edge where we haven't trimmed yet. So here's this. So we come around the lights, up top. Everything comes in. And the thing about this Audi bumper, usually in the patterns, this piece stops here, and it stops here, and these become two, and a seam, and then up here as well, possibly. The 2020, there's no patterns yet for it, but nevertheless, this bumper is completely one continuous piece with every single edge wrapped. So just showing you, if you look for custom work, Clearbrow, North Dallas has no problem doing that. We can certainly do that. Maybe we can get in here to see the edge down in here. It's down in between the fender and the bumper, and it runs all the way around. Here we are on the end over here. Now we're gonna get ready to trim this off, and that'll wrap underneath here. So a custom fit is your best bet. All this will get trimmed under here, but you can see everything goes in perfectly. But we just finished it. That's why the water's all over it. We haven't wiped it down yet. But so there it is, custom one continuous piece on an Audi. It's pretty uncommon. Most of them are done in patterns, but these are simple enough to do either way, and the client requested the perfect fit, and that's what he got here today. 2020 Audi S4, and the hood also was wrapped, and every edge. Look at under here, you'll see where we wrap, like right here. Let me get that to focus. You'll see the wrap right there. But anyway, so that's the way we do things here at Clearbrow, North Dallas on these type of cars. And over here, working on a little bit older 2011 Porsche Panamera. Again, another custom fit. We haven't got to the bumper yet, but the fenders, all custom. The hood, all custom. Everything runs all the way around. We don't leave edges exposed. Everything just looks beautiful. So if you're looking for custom Clearbrow wraps, the perfect install, give us a call, 214-414-3809. We'd be happy to make your bumper look like these as well, or the rest of your car for that matter. Thank you for watching us on YouTube, Clearbrow, North Dallas.